The Global Smaller Companies Trust is an investment trust that invests in the very best smaller companies' opportunities in developed markets as well as the faster growing emerging markets. This trust takes a long-term conservative approach to investing in good quality growing businesses. It does this in an opportunistic and contrarian way. It looks to invest in these higher quality companies when they are out of favour and they are available at a significant discount to what they are intrinsically worth. This is a quality value strategy. So smaller companies are by their very nature riskier investments. Many of these companies have business models that aren't very well developed. The management teams aren't as experienced, and many of these companies are subscale, so they are actually competitively disadvantaged versus larger peers. What we're trying to do is to reduce the risk for our clients by focusing on the higher quality companies within the small cap universe that are able to withstand all these threats that smaller companies in general tend to face. And what we also do is we look to buy into these companies when there is a margin of safety. So the discount that we buy at compared to intrinsic value does tend to protect us on the downside if we are wrong in our analysis. So this is not an ESG labelled fund, but as part of our analysis of the quality of the business model and the management team, we do look at ESG related risks and opportunities. We do have a history of engaging with companies on ESG related matters, and we do have a rigorous approach to proxy voting. We have structural gearing in place of 5%, and this is financed by low-cost long-term debt. We would be willing to take tactical gearing up to 10%. This trust can actually go all the way up to 20%, but in reality, we really want to keep it to 10%. And that's only in market conditions which are characterized by very depressed sentiment and very low valuations. With respect to the discount, we're looking to maintain a discount of around 5% in normal market conditions. The way that we manage our discount is by repurchasing shares, and more recently we have been active in marketing the fund in order to try and close the discount that the shares are currently trading on. This fund offers a one-stop shop for clients looking for a core portfolio that represents the wider smaller companies asset class. It offers the faster growth potential inherent in smaller companies, but with lower levels of risk.